Hello! Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know if you guys could tell already, but I am right behind my desk. My bedroom is really small. If you guys haven't seen my room makeover yet, go ahead and check that out up here. But yeah, so this here is my desk area. And it's looking really messy and really dirty. So I decided that I am going to give it a little makeover and a little reorganization. And I've kind of had this desk for a really long time. It's all glass, so you can kind of see everything that's through it, which makes it kind of feel more cluttered and look more messy, even though it's really not that messy. So I bought some more contact paper because apparently I just think that contact paper can fix any ugly room. And I will be using that on the glass portion of the desk. And yeah, so I have a bunch of jars and stuff on the desk and my big screen here, and considering the small room that I have, I feel like I really need to reorganize the space in order for me to be more productive. And also because we're working from home and doing everything from home, I really want to make sure I have like a really nice workspace. So that's where this video comes in today. So let's get on to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started and clear everything out of the way. After removing everything from my desk, I am now left with a cleared but dirty desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with a wet towel and disinfect the table. Alright guys, so I've literally just been sitting here debating on which contact paper I should use because I bought two types of contact paper. One's like a lighter color and this one's like a darker color, and I just could not decide what I wanted to do, but I think I'm finally going to decide to go with this brown dark one because it matches better with the shelves that I have right above my bed, and I think it looks better against the black. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and hopefully it looks nice. What's really cool about this contact paper that I didn't know when I first bought it is that it has these little grooves on the paper itself that makes it feel like it's actually real wood when you run your hand across it, and it gives it that really awesome texture just like wood, which I thought was super cool. So this contact paper actually wasn't long enough or wide enough to fit the entirety of my desk, so I actually had to split it up into two different sections. So I'm going to remove the back first and start with the front of the desk, and you can watch me here struggling to align this for a good minute, but it's fast forwarded, so you guys only have to watch it for a couple of seconds. Once I got the alignment part down, it was pretty much a really easy continuous process of just using a credit card and pushing all the air bubbles out and just working my way through the entirety of the desk. Once I reached the end, I took my X-Acto knife and cut off the excess and began working on the other side of my desk that was not yet covered. Alright, now try and tell me that this desk does not look so clean and so much better than it did before. What I love the most about this specific contact paper is that it has those grooves within the paper that when you lay it out, it actually really feels like a real wood, which I think gives a more realistic look as well. Next, I'm going to be reorganizing these drawers that were on my desk. Now, this mini drawer is filled with things that I tend to throw my random crap in, and I'm sure we all have one of these in our house, and usually it's in the kitchen or in the bathroom, but for my miscellaneous drawer, for my personal things, it's this drawer right here. I'm going to first start by pulling out all the drawers to see what I have, and as you can tell, some make sense and others don't. So what I'm gonna do is go through each of the drawers and try to designate things that somewhat belong together, and the goal is to essentially make my mess of random things an organized drawer of random things. Because this drawer has so many different bits and pieces, I'm going to take an empty jewelry box that I had to put all the paper clips, any rubber bands, or any clips or anything like that, just so that it can be a little bit more organized and easy to find. So when I am looking for those things, I don't have to rummage through the drawers. This drawer right here is just filled with random things, so I'm gonna go ahead and empty it out and then fill it up with markers that will replace this giant jar that I have on my desk. Same thing goes for my last drawer of random things. I'm gonna go ahead and empty it out and fill it up with my Sharpies. Here is the aftermath after cleaning my drawers, so I definitely recommend for you guys to go through your drawers because there's probably a lot of random stuff you can find, and doing just something as small as that can really make your space feel much more organized. And before I start to place anything back on my desk, I'm going to swap out my other jars for these ones that I made in a video last week. I spray painted it and added some twine to give it that perfect farmhouse style to complement the wood look that's on my desk now. So if you want to learn how to make these, go ahead and check out my previous video on mason jar DIYs. Now it's time to actually start setting up my desk. I'm first going to set up my desktop screen. All these wires that are tangled around here are driving me crazy, and I cannot believe I haven't tried to fix it before, but we're doing it now, so better late than never. So I'm going to unwrap all the wires, and since there's so much excess, I decided to wrap it around this bar that's underneath my desk, and instead of wrapping it around the desktop. As much as I would like to find a way to conceal all the wires completely, at least this way I can't see it and it won't ruin the aesthetic. I'm choosing to place my desktop screen in the center of my desk and my window so that it looks nice and symmetrical. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate how nicely the sun hits here? Yeah, I picked the perfect time to film. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall my lamp on the side of the desk. I'm actually putting it on the other side just because I feel like it's not too close to my bed. And what I love about this lamp is that you can just leave it on the side and it doesn't take up too much of your desk space. As a finishing touch, I'm going to be replacing this office chair that's definitely seen some love and has been worn in with a nice leather and, might I add, foldable chair that's perfect for my small bedroom and super comfortable and definitely nice and sleek. And here is my new desk. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I am super happy with the way my desk turned out, and I feel like the contact paper made such difference. Now I feel like I really have like that minimalistic and very clean and spacious look. Hopefully this inspired you guys to kind of reorganize your desks as well, because now that we're in quarantine, we're definitely spending a lot more time at our desks, and having a clean workspace is definitely the best way to be productive. And just even the smallest things like decluttering your drawers or, you know, changing out your jars can make such a difference in your desk space. So definitely recommend doing that. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!